following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Shawano County, northeastern Waupaca County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over in Barris, or 6 miles southwest of Shawano, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Embarrass around 3 p.m. Navarino Wildlife Area around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Belle Plaine, Adams Beach, Lunds, Chanel Lake, Lanston, Bonduel, Cecil, and Fraser Corners. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Shawano, and Waupaca. The current time is 2:58 p.m.